So, what is a crookie? These are what has been or has gone viral on the internet. Took Paris by storm, being sold like hotcakes, not literally, being sold like crookies, not hotcakes, of course. Well, let's take a look at this. A crookie is a croissant that has cookie dough not only on the outside, but on the inside as well. And when you open that up, cut it open, look there. As the internet describes it, ooey gooey chocolatey goodness. Chocolate cookie dough in the center. Look at that. And then you have the crunchy chocolate chip cookie on the outside as well. All of this is made with real French butter, French flour, and only the best French chocolate. And we are going to be introducing them here at Reis's Bakery in a limited quantity. Welcome, Crookie, to Omaha and Reis's Bakery.